Welcome back to another video. Today we have deals, Milwaukee deals here at the website, homedepot.com. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. That's the way YouTube runs their platforms, by subscribers and likes. That will help us buy more tools like this from Home Depot, so we can make more tool reviews, more videos. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Pretty much we go down here, it says exclusive Milwaukee tool savings. So we're just going to look at Milwaukee for this section. So we got exclusive Milwaukee. Let's see here, we got the first one, $4.99. Not really the best combo. Yeah, I wouldn't. A lot of this stuff is brushed. I would definitely stay away from the brushed stuff. We still have the deal online with you can get the two 4 amp hour battery packs and charger for $179 and get a free tool. The only thing is that you still have to put it to you have to basically buy it as already picked for you. I'll show you guys what it means. So same thing with this one, you still have the $99 deal with the M12 battery starter kit with the two 2 amp hour batteries. By the way, this is the 4 amp hour battery deal, and this is a 2 amp hour battery deal. These are the brushless cordless compact. Not really the best deal here. It's not the fuel, so $249 is a little bit. I think it's a little pricey. Let's see here. This one you get the fuel, 16-inch 18-volt lithium battery brushless cordless chainsaw, and the gentle fuel blower for $449. I believe you don't have any batteries with this, so $449 just for the tools. Oh yeah, you do get a battery, I guess. Let's see here, cordless impact driver combo kit, batteries and charger and tool. Like I said, brushed tools here. This is what I was telling you guys about. Well, not this one. This is another deal that they have. This is the deal that they have at the stores. You know how you go on the end caps. If you guys haven't checked out my channel, I do walkthrough videos of Home Depot. I'll show you guys real quick. As in this video here, this is my channel, Toolhead147. So you go to after Labor Day tool deals at Home Depot, and you guys will see what I'm talking about. But they do have a section at the end of like an end cap, and where they have this deals, and you can get a free 5 amp hour battery, or if you buy 2 tools or 2 kits, you get 2 6s. So this one's a great deal. I think this one's probably one of the best deals. The fuel, because you're getting the 5 amp hour batteries, and plus you're getting 2 fuel tools, and you're getting 2 5 amp hour batteries already. So you're getting a total of 3 batteries, 2 tools, charger, and a case, hard case. That is probably one of the best deals here. I'm tempted to get this. You get the Milwaukee fuel, a 16-inch, $249. Like I said, up here you get both of them. Pretty much, I wouldn't say it's a killer deal. Not unless you get, big batteries with that. Hole dozers, we've seen these throughout the stores. Nobody's buying these. They're probably going to go on clearance. $29.88 if you need one. Here's another good one. Shockwave Impact Duty Titanium Drill Bit Set, 15 piece, $19.97. I do have these. They work pretty good. You got the tape, 25 feet auto lock tape measure, $9.97. And then we got the Shockwave 23 piece for $34.97. So you guys see the difference here. This is a 15 piece. This is a 23 piece. This is a lot, well, not a lot cheaper, but it is cheaper on its side. You guys don't need so many bits. You got the saw. This is not the fuel, so this is just a regular saw. Not even brushless, I believe. So $99 for that. Oh, this is a nice light, guys. I gotta get me one of these. It's a really nice light. I gotta check it out. 325 Lumen LED aluminum flashlight, $24.97. Seems like a good flashlight there. Oh, this is one of the kits that I want to get, and I have not seen any in the store. So you guys need something like this for your oscillating tool, your multi-tool. Be sure to check out online. They only have it online, and at least in my area. All the ones from the stores are gone. They were gone like in 3 or 4 days after the sale, the Labor Day sale, quarter 3 sale thing that they had. So $24.88. I'm definitely gonna pick myself some of those. You got M18. As a matter of fact, I'm just gonna put it in the cart so I don't forget. And I'm just gonna have it shipped to my house because it's just easier. Lithium ion cordless 4.5 cutoff angle grinder to only $99. So this is the deals that I was telling you guys about from before. So on this one you get the Bluetooth AM/FM job site radio, and these are M12 by the way. The 2 4-amp-hour batteries and charger, so you get that radio for free. So basically $179 for 2 batteries, 2 4-amp-hour batteries, a charger back, and a radio. And this was $99 with the oscillating tool. So this is definitely a great deal here. Check it out. You got the large nitro glove cut, level 1 dipped work gloves 3-pack. So you got a 3-pack for $12.97. It's definitely a great deal there. Let's see here. Let's see if we got any more. I'm not gonna make this a long video, so if I don't see any more stuff, then I'm just gonna end it here. Milwaukee screwdriver 6-piece, $14.97. If you're into Milwaukee tools, I wouldn't buy this, but then again, they're cheap, $149. But I seen it cheaper, by the way. Yeah, I wouldn't buy that. M18 2-gallon wet and dry vacuum, extra wet and dry HPA filter, $99. Okay deal. Here's a good one here. You got the M12 12-volt lithium 3/8 ratchet with 4-amp-hour batteries, charger, and tool bag. So you get the two fours and the ratchet, which is a great deal, $179. Same thing with this. You get the 2 4s and you get the stapler, $179. These are great gloves. I gotta try them out. I heard a lot of good things about these. So $19.97. They are thick though. They are thick on the side. So I would definitely use them for, you know, heavy work like yard work or demolition. Well, as it says right there, demolition. So they're not really precise. Like if you're doing like woodworking, precise. You want to be precise with the nail or a screw or whatnot. These are not for that. Let's see here. We got another one. This is another battery deal, and you get a 6-amp-hour battery. So $179, you get a 6-amp-hour battery and 2 4s. Let's see here. Is this brushless? I don't think this is brushless. So on this one, you get the 2 2s, and then you get the regular impact driver. On this one, you get the hacksaw and the 2 4s. This is definitely a great deal here. Definitely recommend that. Your tool only on this one's like more than half of that. You got the saw, the 2-pack, $9.88. Definitely recommend that. I seen it at the store. Really nice grip. Shockwave Impact duty steel. Let's see here. It's $149. Is this M12? No, not brushless. Here's another one with the light. Yeah, the light. I'm not really interested in the light. Light's only like $40, $49 or something like that. It's really cheap. So not the best deal there, or less than $40 basically. Let's see here. This one's gone already because of the tape measure and the screws. Here's more deals, but they're already sold out, as you guys see here down. Everything's sold out. Alright, that's it. That's it for today. Just a short video. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy tools like this, make more tool review videos, and we'll see you guys in the next one.